Our pantry was cluttered and had these junky wire shelves. I saw one of our neighbor's pantries, which looked really awesome, so I got to work on a new design. My wife wanted a countertop and some real cabinets. I took these shelves down carefully, kept all the pieces, and was actually able to sell this on Letgo for a decent amount. Make sure you remember to take pictures of it before you take it all down. Cover the floor, spackle the holes, paint the wall. There weren't any outlets in the pantry, but luckily, on the other side of the wall in the kitchen, there was one a little higher up. I picked a spot in the pantry that would be covered by cabinets. I used to be afraid of electrical work, but this was super easy. I'll try and find the YouTube video I used to tell me how to do this. I used 1x2s for the shelf supports, and I marked the studs on the wall with tape. If you haven't used one of these stud finders, you haven't really lived. Around this point, I realized that the cabinets on the long wall would come out too far and interfere with the door. So I adjusted the design to use shelves underneath and saved like $1,000. I can't believe how much cabinets cost. Spackle and sand the screw holes before you put the shelves up. The tape on the ceiling marks the location of the joists. That's what I'm tying the shelf supports into. Make sure you're straight.
Oh.
Make sure it's straight. There you go. Keep going. Okay, stop. All right. Every screw was pre-drilled for both the screw and the screw head, which was super annoying. It'd be nice to have 3 drills so you don't have to keep switching bits. I use these same 1x2s for just about everything, but this 2x4 on the wall won't be visible. I positioned the cabinets, which cover up the new outlet. I'll put a cord through the cabinets attached to a power strip that'll be screwed to the 2x4 on the wall. Here's the countertop we picked. The countertop wood came with these cardboard channels to protect the edges. Go.
Here.
Measure 2 or 3 times before you cut this counter. Screw it in from the bottom. For this joint, you need to make sure it's as close as you can get it. But then we took the sawdust from cutting the countertop, mixed it with some wood glue, and you made like a paste to get into that joint. After that dries for 2 days, you can sand it and it looks awesome. Final touch was to put in this new light fixture my wife picked out. Makes a pretty amazing difference. Thanks for watching.